Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new, please don't forget to like and subscribe. For Monday's dinner, I decided to make Trinidadian curry chicken with dal and rice and a side salad. Tuesday, I was under the weather, and so was the baby. She actually was diagnosed with the flu, so I just had an egg salad for dinner. Wednesday, still was not feeling well, so the kids had McDonald's, and my husband got himself a shrimp burrito.
Take your shit.
Got these from our neighbor, again, some free goodies. Excited to have this later on with a cup of coffee or tea. Woke up to find this turkey on the shed on Thursday morning. And for Thursday's dinner, I just did some baked salmon seasoned with French fries. For Friday's dinner, we had grilled skirt steak with Italian sausage and beans and rice and some grilled peppers on the side with cherry tomatoes. Go and check out my Tumi video. This is the earrings that I purchased on that order. I wore for the baby shower on Saturday. This is what we ate that day. Food was delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.